Now, I did say that we have different types of setups. We do have different setups. We have something called a range trade, where you could trade, let's say you like to trade time. If you like to trade time, meaning if you like to trade the open from 9:30 in the morning, so you have a range start time at 9:30 in the morning, so you would type in the start time, 9:30, and it's easy to do, and it could be 59. It's not the end of the world. 9:30, and let's say your trade starts at 10. So your entry time is going to be 10. Okay, entry time, 10 o'clock. Our software has the ability to do a couple of different types of range trades. So you click on the entry type, and it says range trade. A couple of things you need to do. You have to remember under range trade to show your graphics. So you click show graphics on chart. You then have to decide, let's say it draws a range. How many ticks above the range do I want to enter the trade? Or how many ticks below the range do I want to enter the trade? So for instance, I have 3 ticks set. So let's see if I did this right. If I enable the trade, normally what will happen is, I don't want this to shoot off. I want it to show the graphics. Okay, it normally, if I did it properly, will show the graphics in a range trade. So bear with me. You want to disable a trade so that you see the graphics and so that you can adjust your strategy. Zone area, graphics shown on chart. I want to make sure I said everything properly, 9:30 to 10. It just may be because the time I'm dealing with has already passed and we're not seeing it. That's what I believe is actually happening. So I okay it. Let me see if I'm going to move this up because I don't want to be taken into the trade. And I'm going to scroll back. And there's my range. It's a little bit hard to see, but you could see it. My software created a range. The reason we didn't see it originally is because it was between 9:30 and 10. Now, you do have the ability to change the color of your range so you can see it better. That slate blue was a little bit hard to see. So I could say create magenta in my range color, enable it, and see how it's easier to see. So you're going to trade. It shows you your entry above the range. It shows you your entry below the range.